Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, in today's cooking, I'm going to make homemade egg roll, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have all-purpose flour, I have butter, I have baking powder, nutmeg, salt, sugar, egg, and I'm going to use milk. I have 2 cups here already. I'm going to measure 1 cup just like this, and the cup I'm using is 250 ml. So this is my 3 cups. I have half cup of sugar. If you don't like sugar, you can reduce the sugar. If you want more, you can add to it. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of butter. I have 3 uncooked eggs. Baking powder, nutmeg, and salt. Sugar, and I will mix together. So I will add the butter, just mold this way. I'm going to start to fry. I cover this. I use 1 cup 250 ml for 5 eggs. So altogether I use 3 cups for 15 eggs. So you can see how beautiful it turns out. My homemade egg roll, you can see how beautiful it turns out. It tastes very good. It tastes yummy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.